Hello again, everybody. Okay, here's a pretty cool trick. It's called Club Sandwich. I'm going to do the trick and then I'll give you a tutorial. First, we're going to need to pull out the two jokers from the deck. And then we're going to have the spectator tell us when to stop. We're going to riffle through the cards. They say stop. We'll give them a 6 of clubs. And their next card, they say stop. And we'll give them a 10 of clubs. How appropriate. It's called the club sandwich, and we just happen to have two clubs. We'll now have them place the 10 of clubs on top of the pack there, and we'll give the deck a little shuffle, and we'll cut the cards and have them place the 6 of clubs on top of the pack, and we'll give the cards a little shuffle, and also we'll cut the pack, and then we'll have them place the two jokers. We're going to place right on top of the pack, and we're going to give the deck a little shake, see if they can locate the first card, the 6 of clubs. And there we go. Right at the very top, the jokers located the 6 of clubs. So we'll turn over the joker, first joker, the second joker. Now we're going to take the 6 of clubs. What we're going to do is we're going to bury that 6 of clubs face up in the middle of the deck. So we'll slide it right in. Now we're going to take the two jokers again, place them on top of the deck, give the deck a little shake, and once again, the jokers have located the spectator's card, the 6 of clubs. So we'll turn over the top joker, and we'll slide out the bottom joker, and we'll just set the jokers aside. Now, we're going to go right through the deck, and we're going to spread the cards out, and there is the 6 of clubs. So if there's the 6 of clubs, the joker's found another card, and that is the spectator's second card, the 10 of clubs. Okay, there are a lot of different ways to perform the trick, and I'll show you how the trick is done. What you need to do is you need to have a joker with a 6 of clubs on the back of it, or any other chosen card, and another joker. And you have a 6 of clubs is a card you're going to force. So you start the trick with the two jokers in the deck, and you say we're going to use jokers, and you pull out the first joker and the second joker. Now we have the 6 of clubs on top, so what we're going to do is I give it a little cut, make a pinky break, and we force the first card on them, and it's the 6 of clubs. Remember, we've got a 6 of clubs behind one of these jokers. And then we have them tell us to stop again, and we just follow through the same motions that we just did when we peel it off, because it really doesn't matter what this card is, but we riffle through, and look at that, another club, the 3 of clubs. So the two cards are the 6 of clubs and the 3 of clubs. Now what we do is we have them put the 3 of clubs first, and we have them put it on the pack. Now what I did here was I made like I was putting the top of the deck on, then I peeled it off again and then shuffled it. So the 3 of clubs is now still on the top. Then I gave it a false cut. Now, what a false cut is peel off a little bit off the top, grip it in this hand, put the index finger and your middle finger here, put your thumb through, grab on over here, come around, swirl this around like this, and then put this right on top. So now the cards didn't change, and the 3 of clubs is still on top. Once again, now we ask them to put the 6 of clubs on top. We can give it a little shuffle, making sure that we keep the two cards on top of the pack, and then another false cut. We take a little bit off, split it like this, cut it around. I could do it. There are some tutorials on the false cut, but anyway, we want to force the two cards to the top of the deck in that order, the 6 of clubs and the 3 of clubs. Then what we do is we have the two cards, just like this with the two jokers, and we say we're going to put the two jokers on top. The two jokers go on top, give the deck a little shake, and they located the spectator's first card. Then we reverse the order right here, 1, 2, 3. So now we say we're going to turn over the top joker, and what we're doing is a double lift. So we do a double lift, and the 6 is now in the second position where it should be. So everything looks right. We turn over the bottom joker, and now we say we're going to take the 6, and we're going to bury it in the pack face up. So we slide the 6 right in the pack, goes right in there, and then we take the double back card, put it second again, and we place it right on top. This time, their second card is in the third position. So we take the two jokers, just like this, we place it right on top, give the deck a little shake, and once again, the jokers have found the 6. This time what we do is we don't reverse it. We make a little break right here, square it up, say we're going to turn over the top joker, and we do a double lift. So we say we're going to turn over the top joker, we do a double lift. Then we say we're going to take off the bottom joker, and we're actually sliding out 2 cards. Bottom joker, we're sliding out 2 cards and place that on the top. Now we go through the deck, and wait a minute, there's the 6 of clubs. So if the 6 of clubs is here, the jokers found a card, and that card that they found this time was your second card, the 3 of clubs.